Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung 49 Odyssey OLED G9, G91SD, is nothing short of a game-changer in the realm of gaming monitors. With its dual QHD resolution and QD-OLED technology, this curved display offers an immersive visual experience that simply cannot be overstated. The 32:9 aspect ratio effectively replaces a dual monitor setup, providing an expansive field of view that envelopes the user in their virtual surroundings. One of the standout features of this monitor is its stunning picture quality. The QD-OLED panel delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive contrast ratios. HDR content truly shines, showcasing the monitor's capability to reproduce nuanced visuals. Whether you're exploring richly detailed landscapes in an open-world game or engaging in fast-paced action, the colors are vivid and lifelike, significantly enhancing the gaming experience. The 240 Hz refresh rate combined with a 0.1 millisecond response time ensures that even the most intense gaming sessions are smooth and free of blurring or ghosting. G-Sync compatibility further enhances this experience, synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with your GPU to prevent screen tearing. This is especially beneficial during high-stakes gaming moments when every frame counts. Ergonomically, the Odyssey G9 is equipped with comprehensive adjustment options, allowing users to tilt and heighten the monitor for optimal viewing comfort. The design is sleek and modern, with customizable RGB lighting on the back that adds an aesthetic appeal to any gaming setup. However, it's worth noting that the monitor's size may require a substantial desk space, and it can be a bit overwhelming for users not accustomed to ultra-wide displays. Additionally, the price point is on the higher end, which may not appeal to casual gamers. Overall, the Samsung 49 Odyssey OLED G9, G91SD, is a premium investment for serious gamers and content creators alike. Its superb display technology, rapid performance, and immersive design make it a standout choice in the competitive gaming monitor market.